Hey, differential equation students. We're reviewing some uses of matrices. So what I want to do here is, given these 2 by 2 matrices and this vector in R2, I want to find some of these quantities. So let's start off with A times V. So the way we define A times V is we have here a 2 by 2 matrix and a 2 by 1 vector. So 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 rows, 1 column. Think of these numbers have to match, and what we're going to get are the outside numbers. So we're going to get a 2 by 1 vector is the answer here. Well, how do we compute it? Well, what we want to do is we want to take the dot product of the first row with this column. In other words, 2 times 3 plus 0 times 2. And for the second entry, we want 3 times 3 plus 5 times 2, the dot product of the second row with that column. So that is 619. Now, when we're doing A times B, it's the same idea, just more numbers involved. So note that what we have is a 2 by 2 times a 2 by 2. These numbers match. And so our answer is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. And again, we're taking dot products. In this case, it's going to be first row, first column. 2 times 1 plus 0 times 4 is 2. Over here, we're going to take first row, second column. 2 times negative 1 plus 0 times 2. We move down here, second row, first column. 3 times 1 plus 5 times 4. Finally, in this position, second row, second column, we take the dot product of the second row with the second column. Negative 3 plus 10 is 7. So it's the same basic idea, we just have a lot more entries to work with. Now let's take something complicated like this. Note that the first thing we have to do is we have to figure out what 3a minus 2b is. So we're multiplying each matrix by the appropriate scalar. So in this case, I'm multiplying everything by 3 in A and subtracting everything multiplied by 2 in B. Giving me 4, 2, 1, 11. All right, so if I want to do the multiplication now, what I want is 4, 2, 1, 11 times my vector, 3, 2. Again, we're going to get dot products here. 4 times 3 plus 2 times 2, that's 16. 1 times 3 plus 11 times 2, that's 25. So that is what we get with 3a minus 2b times b. If you understand these steps, matrix times vector, matrix times matrix, and then how we can take scalars times matrices and add or subtract them, then you've got a good understanding of the basics of matrix arithmetic.